at that tail wag. You got the best little wagger. Yes, you do. Here's Ruby's pups. I just think this little girl's a doll. Yes, you are. And the boy is a doll. And you're a doll. I got 3 cute little kids. And they're 6 weeks old. Huh? 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 Are you the boss? You're Mr. Tailwagger, that's for sure. Yes, look at that tail go. Look at that tail go. You're going to get out of there yet. You're figuring it out, aren't you? A pretty princess. Yeah, you. You in the fur. You're cute. Thanks for saying hi.